Hello guys, welcome back from Tizit Village. Tizit Area Konyak Churches. Good news ekta aina ase de bena janai di ase. Aji inaugurate kori ase South and Light Music School. Music school lo yate to nai re. Bole aji first time ini khuli ase. Aru tade good news beshi rakha honi ase ki charges kan de free for training di bole itu khobor be khoni ase. Bole mon program de ki lower sabo sai ki nai details so chalibo. Aru yate background de ki ase na amya sai ko. Everything I mean drum like a practice group are they get a kina tree as to kana sini ki moi bi balo na jane alag alag gele course lo ase piano khala be ase bono ni ase details pura janu gane mahan program do inaugurate kola program do logo at the same time the provider logo de interview lo la time ekta thakibo to ki mahan details pura janu anyway let us enjoy.
First person to approach.
One ma ide sisong ma nanga yopu ayanga yopa tongbu no chai digi men jindeng olak jingna tawa nanga webu no jawa tam digi ayanga men ayanga mongchang jinda gemje nangba daukamna.
Good evening. It's a great pleasure to have you all here to celebrate this special occasion with us. Praise my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Minister, Konyak, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Nagaland, and also Reverend Angwan, the pastor of Lapa Baptist Church, Reverend Hansim, the pastor of Hongsai Baptist Church, and also the pastor Nokton, Tizit Village Baptist Church, and also my beloved friends. Your presence adds a significance to this event. Sound and Light Music School, where music flows. Request our minister, Ipawan, to unveil the logo of music school. Kile Tizit Music School Aisha. Sob lang mo le pamanan na kayo. Ang kili ka kung na Aisha. But it's long plan. that God has answered our prayer. Not only my prayer, my friends, several friends, my family, my villages, my dear villages, Sansa, they have really supported in the prayer. And this is the reality that we can witness today. This is the answer that God has answered our prayer. Bishi young talented youth kan tikina. Takan mainstream the anibolo monmara. I have a lot of good musicians, sound engineer, videographer. Or inigat takan feel the drum dolibi, guitar dolibi, takan feel the bishi master gona aha. Iso monbra committed teacher, faculties ami pahinasi. And for that I really thank God. I mean, parents from the very young age, they have committed to serve God in the eastern area. When my dad just completion of his vernacular Bible studies, he served in the Twinsang area where I was born in Samuda village. Inigal ko na ahigan area de 1977 de aro sangsade uthai gana ungchi gana amami yade brown and brother nation area de hoise. So in continuation of a parent's commitment, I have made a decision to serve God in this kind of music ministry. Itu korne kali 28 churches ahigana yade orientation thakibo, where motahobi magiobi every church pra ekta puthagena yade orientation thakina. Every Tuesday is kept aside for the local church, that is Tizit Area Konyak Churches. So itu laga vision kiti among teachers kalau share berse dan kami kushi paisi. So itu laga same vision day. Among in a few days we want to see the church playing keyboard in every individual church. Among a church day keyboard pajagena hymnal kaina ami 3 years tak tu kami sahulu bonus. So fundamental music, that is church music, staff meditation, plus piano training in a divo. Among offline divo or online divo one among PBSA, there are many friends who are going to support us through online. There is Monday or Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, so too. Among the locally divo mana say drum nishna or piano nishna, guitar nishna. Anytime of this slot lagina of the training logo, as per our prospectus, fees is up to Jabo. To garne, among the gospel jamming the demo, anytime that among management team say that among YouTube day among contact number digina say anytime of the contact probi, of pay the ayana kana probi. That's all the gospel. Either Nakamis or Hindi or English or your own dialect, that only gospel entertained here. Classroom say, or I mean, behind the yade aru soundproof haligina that are recording audio recording us. So anytime oblikana I can record ko, make use of this institution. Aru itu para isolana glorify body. Una as a proprietor, I mean itu channel say, honorable minister, short speech divided.
Good evening to each and everyone present here. First of all, amahan isore dhanyabad dibo. Inega bhal humoy, bhal din, amahan sob inega mila kurigena lok padu isore laga blessings ase, isore laga morom kane amahan lok paise, isore dhanyabad dibo. Respected proprietor, director, Salt and Light Music School, Brother Tushi, all my friends, my brothers and sisters, amahan sob jane music. Amahan especially thanda pani mathate hala homoide mukpra najane ke gana ulai. When we go home, room de gusadan de amahan, we play home theaters, mobile de gana bajai. On a journey we go, amahan gana hune. This is called music. The sweet sound that we listen, amahan huna. Guitar bajai ke na gana ga. Every line, every tune has a symbolic meaning. Amahan gana to hune manuhan pra bhal awas taka han pra gana gai music bhal para manuhan pra bajai ke na bisi sundur ma hune. But when we retrospect, when we think, there is always a hidden message. No wonder that is why music is called an art. Like paintings. Saya kena paint kurang mahu tu. Painters come down. In their imaginations, the picture they already have in their brains, in their imaginations, they open it out in the form of paintings and show us. Similarly, music they already have in their mind, the tune, the meaning, so they express those sounds to us and we enjoy those musics. It is an expression of ideas, emotions, dreams, cultures. Although scholars contemplate music was originated 4,000 years ago. How did it originated? People, those who are desperate, mon dukh hoye na, jungle de polai jay. Manu society also na thaki kana jungle de polai jay na thaka homoy de. They listen to the breeze, wind breezing. They listen to the waterfalls. They listen to the birds chirping. That was the study of a music. Music gives solace to the people. Music provides joy, happiness. Apsus tharan de, khushi thage. Mon dukh thagaran de, mon dangor pai. Etuwane. Most of us, especially when we are depressed, when we are sad, we listen to the music. Ajia Mahanede, Brother Tushi and his team, Soul and Light Music School Kuliganase, I would only seek one suggestions to this institution. Amahan Tizit Area, the essence of music, the importance of music, itu sikai to me. This institution can provide a profession, can provide a business with the facilities like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Thaka time de, amahan individual, amahan youth, amahan chokra chokri khan popularity, business create kurubole house asege. Therefore, we should take the ample opportunity. Nagaland government, especially through the initiative of our Honorable Chief Minister for you. TAFMA, Task Force for Music and Arts, Logena institution ekta ase. Amahan youth kan gana ga, music te interest wa han, arts te mujur dia han. Itu han ke promote kurigena state government ma TAFMA, through TAFMA, isi dawa promotion digena ase. Therefore, this TAFMA should also reach this institution so that our youths, our young boys and girls take the opportunity and benefits of the state government initiatives. This far-flung area, Mahan Tizit Isla Jagade, Brother Tushi and his colleagues, musicians, Kandra, school ekta khulado, Bishi Khushi Paise. I on behalf and also on behalf of the Tizit area, once again appreciate your initiatives and I assure you my fullest support in any of your ventures, in any of your activities. Kilegola Mahan Tizit area in all four corners. Now Tizit is considered to be the business center. In Nagaland, सबसे industry thaka to Tizit area ase. You will not find industries like that in Tizit in any part of the Nagaland. Per capita income of the people is also very high comparing to other areas. But when we take as a whole Mon district, yes, we are low. But when we compare, when we take only Tizit area in particular, our per capita income is very high. In the economy, they jana music, they be amahan agi jabo lage. Not only in music, education, they be amahan agi jabo lage. Not only in education, in other activities also, like today, Nagaland Super League, where most of the strikers in the football team were from Tizit area. Therefore, I congratulate them on their achievement and also wish that many young girls and boys turn up to be professionals, players, singers, businessmen, entrepreneurs, so that this place can turn into a biggest hub because we are bordering with Arunachal, we are bordering with Assam, we are bordering with Nagaland. This area, this foothill road can become the biggest hub in the near future, and we can avail the opportunity of a special development zone proposed and visioned by our Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland. With this, once again I thank Brother Tushi and his team, and I thank all of you for the participation, and let us make this place a beautiful place and a place with God in our midst. Thank you, God bless.
Friends can kiman jonai je time digina amanan aha pare it was a grand success. Now as they come to the end of our session, so our thanks to you. From victory unto victory is our mission, every force is vanquished and Christ is Lord indeed.
Thumbnail or title de amne likhina dikhane na first ever hobo yedi Tizitians kan karne music school ekta khulina ase. Not only music school tade aru studio ekta amni recording kan kiba kurule ase dunia hoise kulibi itula facilities kan itia experience taka manu kan staff kan sa tahan eki logode itu program do start kuri jai ase guna amna na pore janai di ase ajila din ekta de itu inaugurate kola din ekta ase. So aji star logode provider logode itia eki logode buigina ase every details ekta yate kina system de jai jawle ase program ta khan laga itu concept aji yate Tizit to itula music institution to thaka nai kuno jaga itu training lole ase bole Dimapur de jai Kohima de jai noli Mountain de ininga dur jaga distance problem bra mohan laga talent itu build up runa pare pajahan dur de jawle ase bole aru music record kule ase amni gana record kule ase bole to dur jaga de jai expenditure bishi hoi so aji to niji khor ekta de pungti jai ase ki itu dangor blessing ekta karne mohan bhabna kuru laga ekta ase guna etu janai di ase. First of all congratulations sir, thank you. So apni first day apni la introduction ekta dibo after the concept of like to establish kora laga olop koi dila bala.
Okay. Aji Prathanana Rukideje, in the right time, and this is the God's time. So Din Bhal Anidigina, Aji 7 April day, Amahan long time for Prathana Gura Aji fulfill Gurje. Itu Suranavigina, Salt and Light Music School. Aro Aman team digana say where music flows. Aro Aman Bible the base Gurna, Matthew chapter 5, verses 13 and 14. You are the salt of the earth, and you are the light of the world. Itu do that day, base Gurna man itu music to suru wese. Aro itu music to Aman environmental nekta ambi aniblo monase. Aro changes nekta aniblo monase. Aman churches day. Kinika singing Aman promote ko lage. Aman koina say Aman singing church is a living church. Kanagura church itadu cinta daga church ekta hoy kana pare manu uthai de kana pare manu sob manu ekta mon ekta de aman ekta aman mon ekta jama kori de aru ekta istolo focus kole aman ani de dene dangor laga focus ta mani du ani gena ase aru itu to aman music institution ekta do yate ekta ase amagan guitar listen dibo itu biji de aru bass drum itu jina alag alag profession piano aru church fundamental music to amagan dibula aman dia ase aru not only that itu aman itu kun aman yate boy gena ase itu aman gospel jamming room ekta ase studio ekta ase itu kiman jon kana kulu mona ase anytime taigan ahegana yate equipments itu kiman aman digina ase taigan itu use kuna taigan isrola nan hinjabu yate amagan dusra kana nogurbo hindi holibi nagami solibi konyak kana holibi nijor dialect holibi english de yate gospel kana he kuru ki kana kulu mona ase yate bar taigan mon so pare yate express ko parebo so this is a place where we can express ourselves to God through this music. Yate amala backside te ase studio bi recording studio ase tare aman well experienced sound engineer kan ahigena ase takan bhai to sob to take up kona jabo any music takan any genre takan ahigena the music to bonai gena aru not only that we have a videography aman video bi bonao paribo audio kana bonao paribo aru drone shooting bi ase itu bi paribo outer to bi aman lobolo paribo aru inside to bi lobo paribo itula profession digena ase aru ami music ministry to kholibo khola beji ami ministry korobo kona bhavana tamur de ami itu khuli ase where itu Tizit area de 28 churches ase itu churches kan lot ami invite kore dina ase kali orientation lobo churches pra ekta bonafide member takala active no pothai gana music choir master libi choir director libi kun church per recommend grobo takalo every Tuesday aman free training dibo piano la training aro church fundamental music to aman itula platform ba dibo kona aman ekta vision share kore ase kimane amela parents kan rabi takan chokora chukuri takan debe takan eastern nagade aman isro la kam kori gina aise takan sati hua beji dibi mora tak takan eastern nagaland jagade ministry kore na aise etu kone ami bi parents kan para kam gora ekta du ami bi koribo lage ami la beyond my capacity aman koru na paribo lebi isro ba ki talent digina ase itu ba ami bi isro la kam guru gona ami yate ahegena Tizit te yate establish kore ase
Yes, thank you so much. Introduction দিয়ে তাই সব এক্সপ্লেইন কৰি দিয়া আছে বেছি মানুহ বুজি নাথাকিব কাৰণে সব কৈ আছে আৰু এইটোতো এটা ডাঙৰ গুড নিউজ বেছি খুশি কথা একটা আছে স্পেচিয়েলি এতিয়া অলপ চাৰ্জেছ কান বস্তিতে থকা মানুহৰ কাৰণে বি প্লেটফৰ্ম একটা খুলি দি আছে আৰু এভৰি টিউজডে হৈছে বোলে টিউজডে বাজাৰ ইয়াতে আছে তো বাজাৰলা বেক চাইডে এইটো কোনটো বিল্ডিং আছে টপ वाला দি এইটো ফ্লোৰ দি ইটোলা ইনষ্টিটিউচনটো আছে সো আপুনি কান বাজাৰতে আহিব চব্জি কিনি না ৰাখি দিব খোরা আগে টাইমিং সে কারণ কোনটো ফিক্স করে আছে একটু মাজরে গানা শিকাই না যাব লাগা মহান জানে একদম এডজাস্টেবল টাইমিং ফিক্স করবি তো শুনিব পারে আছে এনিওয়ে স্যার এটা কিটা এইটো স্টুডিওখন খুলি যায় আছে অর ইনস্টিটিউশন খান ডিটেইলস জানাটো বেশি ইম্পর্টেন্ট একটা আছে স্পেশালি ভিউয়ার্স খান কারণে টাইমিং নইলে চার্জেস খান তো কিনি হিসাবে যাওলে আছে
আচ্ছা এনেকা আছে আমাখান ইয়াতে সাউন্ড ইঞ্জিনিয়ার খান আছে সাউন্ড ইঞ্জিনিয়ার খান আছে আৰু yate musicians kan ase takan la churches alak ekta ase takan la churches aman yate salary nai only the more the singer come up they will earn from there so admission thakibo that 2000 say admission that they enroll their names in the register or any provision takan lobo paribo any stream any kuntu wala de takan jawlo mona se guitar dena piano dena noile kana bona bola se sob tade takan category alag tigina se takan tate take up kona chao as per the time convenient time de aman itu bonai dibo itu sab the churches take
yes guys ita charges koina fix koina man iman to problem na para ekta jaga de ase why because aji inaugurate koina ase so every details like contact number and everything for inquiry description de dina ase takan la Instagram link khan hobi tai sibile to pura dia ase tate apni khan contact koina kotha ko parbo koina etu janai dia ase মই একটা স্যার কোয়েশনস একটা সুধিব মন আছে কি লাইক এইটো জায়গাটো তো এতিয়া কোন নিচিনা ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যন মিউজিক লা ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যন নাই এট দ্য সেম টাইম এতিয়া ষ্টুডিঅ' খান নাই ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাইম একটা আছে তো ৱাই নট লাইক सबके फ्लेक्सिबल নহয় কিনা লাইক লাভ সং কান্দু কুৰু নাপাৰো কয় যে চোকৰা চোকৰা কান্দু বেছি বক্ত লাভ সং কাৰণে আইও নিচিনা বি লাগি আছে তো ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েট কৰি দিব পাৰো আছে
আচ্ছা কি মানে এইটো the institution itself based on the Bible আৰু আমি বি theological background পৰা আছে this is my ministry this is my pulpit this is my church church কব from here আমি ministry আলাগ আলাগ কৰিব মন আছে আৰু ইয়াতে পৰাহে আমি churches kan লগত কিনকা church kan financial management আছে নলে kitchen management আছে নলে office management আছে আলাগ আলাগ তো ইয়াতে resource person আনি কেনে ইয়াতে training development আছে আৰু স্পেশালি churches kan পিছি দুখ পাado কিতিয়া guest kan আহিব কিতিয়া বটো আমাৰ মেনু কাৰণে দুখ পায় না আৰু ইটো পিছতে ফুড বেগ কাৰণে আৰু বেকাৰী খান কাৰণে itu kan so biasa yata anigina resource person anigina training dibo where the church takan management team bra takan kineka aluya manu hadan kineka serve kol lage na kineka khola dibo lage menu bonai gena bele bread aru kineka na alag alag food item kineka bonabo itu sob tu yata brai ami dibo kane long plan ekta ase itu kane itu to ami laga pulpit ase yata brai ami laga ministry base korna alag alag ministry kam kore jabo আৰু not only that dropout student kan কাৰণে আমি ইয়াতে ভাই আমি পিছি পঠাই কেনে আহিছে এটো যেন কোনোবা জায়গাতে কোনোবা দুবাই দিবি যায় না আছে কোনোবা এতিয়া দিল্লী মুম্বাই দিবি যায় না আছে সো dropout student আমি পিছি স্ট্রিম আলাগ আলাগ হালি দি কিনে এতিয়া দেখান আলাগ আলাগ প্রফেশন দে কোনোবা হোটেল দে কোনোবা ক্রিউ মেম্বার করে না আৰু কোনোবা আলাগ আলাগ জায়গাতে দেখান কাম কৰি না যাইছে এটো মানে এটো প্ৰায় আমি আমাৰ youth kan লগত dropout student kan লগত আৰু সাথী ভাই kan কোন needs কোন লাগি আছে তাহলে ৰাস্তা দিগলে কাউন্সেলিং দিব career counseling থাকিব ইয়াতে do আমাৰ এটা gospel mandate একটা আছে ইটো পৰাই আমি অলপ চিটু ঈশ্বৰলা কাম কৰিব নেকি কোনা ভাবনা মানে ইটো শুরু হৈছে
yes really inspiring so guys আপনি গান details তাই সর্বা ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করা দেন যে বুঝি না থাকবে কোন হব করে আছে তাই বি theologian background লাগা একটা আছে to through this very stage ministry ekta nisna hi tai shuru kuri ja aru tai ba kon nisna every charges near and dear yate kiman manu ase takhan yate orientation kan bi matu kore ase at the same time free takhan la opode music to kiman importance role play kore ase mala church te mala society te etu importance jane bole dibo at the same time free ba dibo ko ase na church kan dibo every tuesday day takhan ge training di ase bole do free by dibole ase ko ase etu to beshi khushi kotha ekta
especially Tizit area
la
Konyak churches
Konyak churches Tizit area de 28 villages ase niki na so 28 villages manu khan sob ke apni khan yate thaka church la member ba ekjon aibo aigena etu khan do yate practice ko gane training do loi beshi bal ase kile bole etu brahi busti de apni phak kuro parbo lead kule parbo ase aru aji yate institution khola do especially Tizitians manu khan sob karne blessing dangor ekta ase alag alag line de mohan ke SC school rasta ekta ase dina viewers kan opore chanai di ase anyway sir dia apni last day the viewers kan opore yate near and dear manu kan I will mon hua manu kan opore ki koi
anytime youth kan to sara jaga de hang out no kori gena drugs and alcohol de involved no hoy gena ibi itu laga to itu khodo apni karne ase anytime come and sing with us and play with us and apni logo talent beshi di gena ase if you can talk you can sing na itu karne apni isor ba berabole di gena ase thank you apni step to loigena itu soul and light music school the IB anytime among counseling dibo anytime the I can apni to music maru paribo anytime the I can apni kana record kor paribo
aru apni khan confused no karne location to itu kuntu Racha Bazar ina bi koi makan hat ani bazar ina bi mate yate bazar ekta ase Tizit village te itu laga osor di hi itu laga building te top te takhan laga institution yate stadium or yate takhan training center do itu jaga te ase apni khan kunuba yate inquiry gule mon ase gule do easy ho karne contact number and every link mohan description te sir khan la di ase down the contact kuri kina details janibo ina kuri kina recording kurle ase gule bi yate ahibo aro training lobole ase gule kuntu line te ami lobole ase কোন মানুহ মিউজিক তে ইন্টারেস্ট আছে বাজা খান শুধু বাজা খান এটু মিউজিক তে বেশি তাই কি ট্যালেন্ট আছে নাকি ভয়েস তে ট্যালেন্ট আছে নাকি এটু লাইন দে তাইরো বেশি এক্সাইটেড আছে ইনা হইছে বলি তো মা বাবা কই ভাই গান বড় এনকারেজ করি কিনা টাইম একটা ওলাই কিনা এটু ইনস্টিটিউশন দে পৌঁছেছে বলি তো মাখান আগে দে যাই যা ৰাস্তা একটা হ'বলৈ মহান হোপ কৰা ভিউয়াৰ্স কান পৰে জনাই দি আছে থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফৰ ওয়াচিং জনাই দি আছে থ্যাংক ইউ
Thank you. God bless.